Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between all of the three smartphones. So first is the Poco X3 device, and next is the Mi Note 10 Lite, and here is a Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So in this video, I'll be going in-depth review between all of these three smartphone displays and which is best and why as well. So all the three smartphones, they're having the different screen size and different advantages and disadvantages as well. And let me start first with this small smartphone in the middle, which is the Mi Note 10 Lite. So most of the users they may not heard about this kind of Mi Note 10 Lite, which has got pretty good display advantages in this phone. So first advantage is that the phone has very good curved display on the both edges, as you can see, which looks fantastic. And most of the users, they doesn't like about this phone because of mistouch issues on the corners when you're typing and using in single hand. So few of the users are not a fan of this kind of curved display, but for me, I love the curved displays because it looks pretty good while watching the full screen experience. So even I did have the OnePlus 7 Pro device. I think it is a OnePlus 7 Pro, which has the same kind of curved display like the Mi Note 10 Lite. So a mid-range curved display, that is advantage, and a screen size is of 6.4 inches, which is also very compact size, so easily reachable with a single hand and very good as well. And the resolution is of 10 Hz resolution and the Gorilla Glass 5 protection, that's a good thing, and 430 nits brightness and HDR10 certified. So these are update about the Mi Note 10 Lite device. And next is that Poco X3 and the Samsung Galaxy M51. Most of the users, they don't know about the properties, so let me go quickly. IPS LCD panel, 6.67 inches, 1080, Gorilla Glass 5, HDR10, 120Hz, 450 nits brightness. So these are the specifications about this Poco X3 device. The most I like about this phone is the 120Hz and HDR10 certified and the 450 nits brightness. That's a good advantage here. In the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, which has a Super AMOLED Plus display and 6.7 inches, which is a kind of big smartphone when you compare with other two phones, 6.7 inches and Gorilla Glass 3, and no higher refresh rate present in this phone. So Gorilla Glass 3, friends, that's a big disappointment in the Samsung Galaxy M51 device. So now let me try to play the same video in all the three smartphones, and let's see which phone will be the best and why. So right now you can see, friends, I'm playing all the three smartphones with the same video at same time. And let me try to increase the brightness in all the smartphones and show you the results. As you can see, all the phones, they're having the same kind of brightness levels in all of the three smartphones. And Samsung Galaxy M51 in the top, Mi Note 10 Lite and the Poco X3 device. As I said, the display on the Mi Note 10 Lite looks pretty good because of this curved display. So try to observe the curved display on the Mi Note 10 Lite, so which is kind of very amazing to watch the videos in this Mi Note 10 Lite mobile phone. As you can see, friends, the curved display, how good it looks. Even the display is very compact size as well, 6.4 inches, which makes the watching movies very good as well in one hand, using for long time. So overall, friends, in terms of the software features, the Poco X3 has tons of features. By using that, you can actually increase a lot of colors and the brightness level in the Poco X3 device. So first, let me try to compare between two smartphones. It is the Mi Note 10 Lite and the Poco X3 side by side. If you look, you can see the difference as well, how much it is. And it is a Samsung Galaxy M51 smartphone. Samsung Galaxy M51. I cannot hold all the three smartphones in one hand, so it's not possible. So that's why I'm trying to do as my best here to compare all the three smartphones. As you can see, friends, overall it's pretty good. All the phones are having pretty good displays as well. Even though the Poco X3 has the IPS LCD panel display, but still the software features makes the display amazing, where you can increase colors. And the Mi Note 10 Lite has advantage having the curved display Mi Note 10 Lite, so that's a good advantage in this phone. And the Samsung display has the advantage of having AMOLED panels, so Super AMOLED Plus display, friends. And few of the users, they do like this kind of Super AMOLED Plus, and some users, they do not like the display, but it's a big display, 6.7 inches, and if you want to have that kind of experience watching movies continuously, then this is the best mobile phone for that kind of segment range. And overall, in this video, the conclusion is that the Poco X3, even though it has got IPS LCD panel, the display is pretty good because of this software features, so no issues with the phone. And it has got higher refresh rate as well, which is another advantage in this phone. So here the clear winner with the refresh rate and having the colors saturated. You can see how much difference is there in this kind of scenario, where the other phones, they do look very dull, but the Poco X3 looks fantastic in terms of the colors as well by using this kind of features. So overall, friends, the Poco X3 is a winner. And if you want the curved display, then the Mi Note 10 Lite can be the winner, so which has very beautiful curved edges on both sides. And if you want big phone from the AMOLED Super AMOLED panel from the Samsung, then you can choose the Samsung display. So even if you choose any of the one phone, you don't need to worry. You will be very happy with the kind of performance they are having in their smartphones. That's a good thing about all of these phones. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.